What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at my house. The guys are just pulling in right now and we are working on this staircase here. So I'm about to run to the lumberyard and get the material for this set of stairs here. I'm also going to get some trex. Hopefully we can get this platform done, this staircase done, and figure out this landing area here. There's going to be a little bit of a walkway here to get to the driveway because the stairs are not going to reach it. All right, guys, so we got one stringer made up pretty much, and we need to dig out the dirt here because it's hitting right about here. You can see it's marked. So luckily I have our excavator here, so I'm gonna hop in that real quick and then bring it up to the front and dig that out. It'll be much faster than trying to dig it with by hand and checking it and taking more dirt and blah blah blah. So we'll grab this and it'll be nice and easy. We don't need that. Alright guys, we got the staircase all set. We put the bottom of the stringers down in a little bit of a footing down there just to lock them in. It's all going to get buried with dirt. The bottom section is left like that because there's going to be a sidewalk right to that step. Once I do my blacktop for my driveway, this whole driveway is going to have to get dropped down a couple inches anyway. So the plan is to have a blacktop walkway right to that, I'll show you real quick, right to this cut here, somewhere close. It'll probably be a little bit above it, or we might cut this down just so the blacktop is above it and you have about the same size step up to the first step there. But I just ran to the lumber yard. I got the rest of the trex material I needed for the stairs and the platform there, and I bought a 6x6 which we're going to cut in half, and we were making two brackets on an angle here, one from this 6x6 up to there and another one from this 6x6 up there to support this landing. Rather than having a footing down here with a post, I think the angled brackets will look a lot nicer, and they basically do the same thing. But we're just getting that post set for the last piece of railing. Hopefully the plan is to not need to do any other railings besides that one, and hopefully we won't have to, because if your steps are within 16 inches from the ground, you don't need a railing. So that's our plan, and we obviously have a ton of dirt here to make that happen. All right guys, we just finished up for the day. You guys just pulled out of here and we got pretty far, just about as far as I thought we would. It was a good thing we had our excavator, which I parked out in the back. It's a good thing we had that here, because I'm sure you saw, but we had to dig out a ton of dirt here. It didn't really looked like we would have to do that much before we started digging, but then once we cut a stringer and laid it in there and realized where it's actually going to land, it was a lot more dirt than at least I was thinking. But having the machine here really saved the day on that, made us be able to get this staircase in and pretty much complete. We just need to wrap it with PVC and then obviously the trex on top, and then we're going to have a little walkway here out from that bottom step there to the driveway here. But it might be hard to tell on camera, but it is a couple inches higher, so it'll be nice pitch out to the driveway, so no water will sit there. It'll all run out and then obviously run down the driveway. But we got this whole platform done with the trucks all around. We got one piece of PVC here. We got the hole cut for the 4x4 there. We'll have to throw the one piece of railing in here, and I'm hoping that's the only railing they make me do. We are about 18 inches off the ground here on this front corner, so we'll have to build it up a little bit, but obviously once it rains this is going to compact and it'll be a little bit lower, so I'm sure I'll have a couple days of messing with this just to get it so we don't need to have a railing down here. I would really like not to have one and just have the staircase here and walk right up without a railing, but obviously you need a railing here so nobody falls. But I think that is pretty much it for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.